For more than 30 years, the BMW GS concept has embodied riding pleasure and the desire for adventure. Over 170,000 bikes have been sold and made the GS the most successful and best-selling travel enduro in the world. With the 6th generation, BMW Motorrad is now beginning a whole new chapter of GS history. One of the biggest challenges was the new engine. With its superior power and performance, it sets new standards in the enduro segment.
The most radical change we've made to the Boxer engine is that we've switched from air-oil cooling to air-water cooling in order to thermally improve the engine, and we tried to make it more compact.
The new system circulates a special coolant only around the sections of the engine that experience the highest temperatures. Cooling fins do the rest. Moreover, the new BMW R1200 GS abounds with different control systems, like ABS or ASC for instance. Now, the rider can easily select between 5 riding and engine response modes.
Up till now, we were able to switch off the ABS and the anti-slip regulation, as well as the ESA and shock absorption, but it took 3 different maneuvers. You had to reconfigure constantly to switch from street into rough terrain. Now there's a so-called mode button with which you can switch all parameters in one fell swoop.
Besides technical improvements, design plays a major role with all vehicles. The BMW R1200 GS is a bike with history. This is the reason that designers tried to improve the GS very carefully. At first glance, it looks slimmer and sportier than its predecessor.
What's really prominent is that we have pushed the bulk of the bike forward, out of the center. It begs to move forward, it wants to accelerate, and that was very, very important to us. So that even from a distance you can recognize it and say, hey, that's the new one.
A new option is the full LED main headlight, including the integrated daytime running light. This bike is the first motorcycle in the world with this lighting concept. With the new BMW R1200 GS, BMW Motorrad once again sets new standards. Right on time for the motorcycle season in spring 2013, the new R1200 GS enters the market, to the great pleasure of motorbikers around the globe.